Assalamu alaikum and welcome to day one of your SketchUp course. Today we are jumping straight into the SketchUp interface and navigation tools. The first step in your 3D design journey. Let's begin. When you open SketchUp, you will see a large white area with a figure in the middle. That's your modeling space. At the top in the toolbar and to the right is the default tray. Now let's learn how to move around in the 3D space. These three tools are essential. First of all is Orbit. Orbit tool is used to rotate your view. And second one is Zoom tool. It's used to zoom in and out. Another one is Pan tool. Pan tool is used to slide your view in any direction. Now, SketchUp works on a red, green and blue axis. X, Y and Z. Here is green axis, here is red and here is blue. Everything you draw align with this 3D grid, which is super helpful for your accuracy. That's it for today class. Practice navigating using Orbit, Pen and Zoom. Trust me, the more comfortable you are with movement, the easier everything else will be. I have also prepared class notes with tool names, shortcuts and practice takes for you. If you want the notes, comment below with send me day 1 notes and I will be reply with the link or send it to you directly. And don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification so you never miss a lesson. Tomorrow we will start drawing basic shapes inside SketchUp. See you on day 2.